What I'm going to talk to you today about is the big lie that we tell ourselves. That big lie happens to be, I'm busy. We aren't as busy as we think we are. I have seen so many and heard so many people say, I'm so busy, I just can't do that. Let's break this down. By the way, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, run on over, get subscribed, because now would be a genius time for you to like and subscribe to my channel, especially if you'd like to know when I go live and when I have new content available for your viewing. So for 20 years, I've been helping people get what they want out of life. I have experienced the very same things that I help people with, from the burnout to the, do I need to get a new job? Is everything going to work out for me if I continue down this path? Sometimes we just need someone to bounce it off of. And the good news is I offer free 30-minute coaching sessions at that link right there, meetwithleanne.me. Let's talk about being busy. See, busy is the default when we don't know how to say no. No, thank you. Thank you for thinking of me, but I'd really, really prefer not to do whatever thing you're inviting me to. I'm busy. Well, are you? And I'd really like to know, are you busy? Now, some of us have children's events that we have to be to, baseball games, all that good stuff. But doesn't mean that you can't take some time for yourself and go hang out or be with a family member or go get a pedicure. Are you really busy? You see, it's a lie that we tell ourselves. And here's why. It puffs us up, in a sense. It says to our peer group and our family, everybody wants me. I am so needed that I am busy. And so we wear it like a badge of honor. Friends, I got to tell you, that's a badge of honor I gratefully gave up. And now I just say, no. If I don't want to do something. I mean, it is just that simple. No is a full sentence. No gets you the ability to say yes to what you want. So what is it that you're saying yes to by saying that you're so busy? What can you say yes to with saying no to other things? So how do we get out of that busyness? When the world shut down in March of 2000 and my husband was sent home for 2 weeks, we all got really unbusy really quick. And we took that thought process, that behavior through to 2 years. And now that the world is waking up again, we weren't busy. We were grateful. We were selective with our time, and we were selective with who we spent our time with. Family became really important. Friends became really important. Running all over the city to go to this meeting or that didn't seem as important. I don't think I heard one person tell me how busy they were. So how do we get back to that? Having that clarity and having those priorities set. I'd really like to know. Your comments below will help me so much with understanding how we get back there, because I'd really like to be back there. Let's talk real quickly about how we say no. How we say no is a very easy thing in reality. If you can speak well and you don't hurt somebody's feelings, they'll take no from you all day long. First, let's remember what we learned in kindergarten. No, thank you. It's pretty simple. No. Thank you for thinking of me. No. It's really simple. For some reason in our culture, we have gotten to a point where if you don't say yes to every single request that comes your way, somehow you are a bad person or not a team player or whatever the buzzword of the day is. Our culture makes you a bad person. Bad person. It's not true. The truth is, If you are saying yes to something that you don't want to do, or that you feel pressured to do, or God forbid you say, I'm busy, then you're not doing yourself any favors. And actually, you might end up becoming that burnt out person. You may want to take a nap, and you don't get your nap because you're running around like a crazy person trying to please everyone. Stop being a people pleaser. And make it okay that a good and cultural shift from, oh, you don't want to come to my third kid's birthday party in a month? There must be something wrong with you. To, oh, thank you for inviting me. No. That's all it is. I would like to know in the chat, please drop a comment below in the chat. Let me know how you are saying no to the things that you just don't want to do. I am Leanne. I am a burnout coach, and I just would love to offer you the opportunity to have a free 30-minute coaching session with me. You can book your time at meetwithleanne.me. And if somebody you know might benefit from hearing these words of stop being busy, start saying no, speak what your experience is at this moment, please pass it along to them. I would be ever so grateful if you did. Don't forget, hop on over to meetwithleanne.me. Claim your free 30-minute coaching session. And like I said, I would be ever so grateful to speak with you. Bye.